Here is how you can download OneDrive files to your Android. So let me explain that and let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So of course, you need to open up or download the OneDrive app. If you haven't downloaded the app already, get inside and sign in with your Microsoft account so you can actually access your files. At the top, you can switch between the photos and the files. So, it's kind of like separated based on the file type. But if I go to my files app right here or files section, you can see that I can find anything that I have in here. So I have some example folders, which I can get inside. I have some files in here, some OneNote files or whatever else it might be. You can tap on the three dots, which is next to it, next to every single file, and it's going to give you more options. So it kind of depends on what the file is, but usually when you click on the three dots, it's going to give you the ability to click on a download like this. So it's literally the download arrow with the text. I can click on it like this and I can basically save it to wherever I want, right? So it just moves me over into my local storage. So, I can see all of the folders in my local device. So I can go to the folders which I have, I can create a new one or put it essentially wherever I want. So if I then leave the app and go to my files manager, I'll be able to go to the very same folder and actually find the stuff that I saved right here, right? So that's how you can save stuff or download things from the OneDrive. One more thing though, if I come back to the OneDrive section and when I click on the three dots next to a file, it also gives me the ability to not just download it, but also make it available offline, which is technically downloading it as well, but it still stays within the OneDrive app. It just means that it's accessible without the internet. So technically it's downloading the file as well, but not like downloading it to another place or to local storage. So I hope it makes sense. I really hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'm going to talk to you later in the future uploads.